Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu acquired a piece of land in Khaybar. So he came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to consult about it. He submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have procured such a superb piece of land in Khaybar as I have never got before. It is extremely superb in my view. What do you advise me about it? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you wish, keep the actual land in your possession and give its produce in charity. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu endowed that piece of land on this condition that the land will neither be sold nor purchased, nor inherited by someone nor gifted to anyone. Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu declared its income for the poor, the kinsmen, the ways of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the wayfarers and the guests, and that there is no sin for the trustee if he himself consumes of it or gives it to his friends to eat equitably without amassing property. The reporter says, I narrated this hadith in front of Muhammad bin Sirin. When I reached Ghair Mutamawwal, he said Ghair Mutaathil. Ibn Aun said, the person who reads this document said, as per context, there is Ghair Mutaasil in it. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4200.